Replace that drain plug. Well, sort of. Drain plugs seem like such a simple thing. Basically, a bolt with a flange head and a flat surface on the pan side to seal against. That's pretty simple and durable. And that's a good thing, because in the old days, oil got changed every 2,000 to 3,000 miles, and if a vehicle lasted 100,000 miles, it was removed and replaced 50 times in a vehicle's lifetime. Fast forward to today, and things have changed. Oil change intervals are much longer today, with oil life monitors directing when to change the oil and the filters. However, it is not unusual for a vehicle to last over 200,000 miles. So that plug must live up to the rigors of many cycles. Many plugs today come equipped with a crush washer to enhance sealing. This washer crushes between the two mating surfaces to ensure a complete seal. Plugs with this type of drain need to have proper torques used to get them sealed correctly. A crush type washer should not be reused. Some plugs are available with a replacement washer, while others service a complete unit with plug and washer. Another design is the polymer or plastic style plug. These plugs typically utilize a twist lock style thread. The sealing is normally done with an O-ring. With these style plugs, the O-ring should always be replaced when servicing the oil drain. Since these plugs are not metal, great care should be taken and used, and never apply too much torque or a metal wrench to remove. Some manufacturers, like Ford, require that these non-metallic plugs to be changed every oil and filter change. Whenever you are removing a plug, you should pay attention to the way it comes out. Do you feel any drag on the threads or looseness in the pan threads? Visually inspect the threads for any damages or indications of previous cross-threading or thread stretch. If you have any doubts about the integrity of the plug, regardless of the composition of it, replace it. In the long run, this is cheap insurance for your customer. The last thing you want to see is your customer's car arriving on the hook with no oil in the engine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.